Are you curious about how the quicklime powder ball press works? Let's take a look. Clean up the debris of the quicklime powder ball press before starting the machine. Fix the bolts and remove the load before allowing the start of the quicklime powder ball press. Second lime powder ball press test machine. First, use the point method to make the motor pulse rotation, such as no other noise. Normal operation can be started. 3 to lime powder ball press feeding should ensure that the electric feeder feeding uniform and according to the situation of warehouse pressure will adjust the electric feeder to the best effect. 4 shift after the end of the work should be the lime powder ball press in the silo all used up. Shall not leave raw materials. Avoid starting with load. Finally, normal stop or emergency stop and drive the opposite order.